Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server and join a free private server on Steal Brainrot of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Roblox application, and first of all, you can go to the Steal Brainrot game, and then you can open it. Then you will see this icon, and tap on this icon, and then you're going to click on create a private server. Okay, and for your information, the private server is not free, so you need to pay 79 Robux if you want to get the private server. Okay, but don't worry guys, because you can join your friend's private server or the other player's private server. I'm going to filter it to ascending for the number of players, and then you can exclude the full server. And if you want to join the private server, just click on join right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a private server and join a free private server on Steal a Brainrot game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.